Let's learn the letter C. Come and follow me. Cat and candy, it's as easy as can be. Cap on your head and a candle so bright. C is the letter that brings joy and light. Cat, cat, with a purse so sweet. Cap, cap on your head, a stylish feet. Candle, candle, flickering flame. Candy, candy, sweet treats to claim. Let's learn the letter C. Come and join the fun. Cat and candy under the shining sun. Cap on your head in color so grand. Candle glowing bright like a magical wand. Cat, cat, with a purse so sweet. Cap, cap on your head, a stylish feet. Candle, candle, flickering flame. Candy, candy, sweet treats to claim.